Hello, my name is Rebecca Garcia Gutierrez. I present today's learning forces in learning. According to the article mentioned 10 advantages of e-learning. Time for digesting the information and responding innate communication among the learning both as regards quality and as regards urgency. Knowledge being acquired and transferred among the learners themselves, the ability to conduct an open discussion where each learner has more of an equal standing than in a face-to-face discussion. Access to information and to discussion ability. Response may be made around the clock with no restriction and higher motivation and involvement in the process on the part of the learners. Use of technology creates a greater commitment on the student part to learning. The student talks at least as much as more than the teacher. The studying is based of various sources of information including web data banks and net experts located by the student. Most of the learning process takes place in groups or by the individual student. The student motivation is high due to the involvement in matters that are closer to them and to the use of technology. Discussion in the classroom. Usually the teacher speaks more than the student while learning. The student speaks at least as much or more the teacher. Learning process. Most of the learning process takes place groups or by the individual student. The learning is conducted with the whole class participating. There is almost no group or individual study. Subject matter. The student participates in determining the subject matter. The studying is based on various sources of information, including web data banks, and the next expert locate the student. The teacher conducts the lesson according to the study program and the existing curriculum. Interest in the learning process. The student learns what and not how. The students are not involved. In career-based education and solving problems, but rather in tasks set by the teacher. The student learns how and less what. The learning includes research study, which combines searching for and collecting information from web network. The learning is better connect to the real world. The subject matter is richer and include material in different formats. Motivation. The student motivation is low and the subject matter is distant from them. The student motivation is high due to the involvement in matters that are closer to them and to the use of technology. Teacher role. The teacher is the authority. The teacher directs the student to the information. Location of learning. The learning takes place within the classroom. Than the school, the learning takes place with not fixed location. Lesson structure. The teacher dictates the structure of the lesson and the division of time. The structure of the lesson is affected by the group dynamics.